Today's subject is removing duplicates. So, for example, we have a big list, and in big list we have to remove duplicates. For example, just copy and paste it here. There are a lot of duplicates. Just go to data, select column, go to data, remove duplicates. You can see there's my data header is checked. So because of that, zoo name is excluded from list, from selection. If take out this out, uncheck, in this case column number, column names becomes column I, and zoo names including to selected set. After we selecting, clicking, as you can see, 168 duplicates found and removed. Just 10 unique values remain. So this is very fast and very simple one. Let's do so. We have a big list and delete duplicates if we have two columns. For example, zoo names and city names. Selecting them, doing same thing. You can see zoo name and city, and click. You can see same thing because we have 10 unique values. Make a revert back. If select all of them and OK, we don't have any duplicates, so in this case nothing is removed. Let's check one sample. For example, copy that and paste here. In this case you can see it's the same thing, so it's much better to make that, for example, this one, and after select that, go to data, remove, and keep all of them. As you can see, removed all of them because all 5 column is matching. So this is a detailed version of removal duplicates. I hope this tutorials will be useful for you, and please share to support us with your friends. Subscribe, especially required, and put your comments. Comments is really supporting our new channel to be recommended and to get more subscribers. Thanks in advance.